In this video, I will show how to solve a related rates problem, and we always follow the same 4 steps when approaching the related rates problem. The step 1 is to identify the quantity, the rate of change of which is given, and the quantity, the rate of change of which is we are looking for. In this problem, we are given the rate of change 1 ruby per week. This is the rate of change of Q, the demand, right? So that means dq dt, and because, how do we know it's dt? Because it's per week, so dq dt is equal to -1 ruby per week. Now the rate of change of what are we looking for? So the question is, how fast is the price changing? So that means we're looking for dp dt. Step 2 is, once the quantities are identified, we have to find the relation between those two quantities. So in this case, we have to find the relation between the quantity Q and the quantity P. That relation is given to us. It's the demand equation. So we're going to write that out. So this is the equation that relates P and Q. In step 3, we differentiate the given equation, and we differentiate it with respect to the variable t. So that means we have to do it implicitly here. So derivative of the left hand side is derivative of q with respect to t plus 4/3 derivative of p with respect to t, and derivative of 80 is just 0. Now this formula is called the related rates formula, and it literally relates the two rates of change. Now, of the two rates of change, one is given, so dq dt is given, and one is unknown. So the unknown one we can just label p prime, and once we plug everything we know, we can, or we should be able to solve for p prime. So isolating p prime is gives us the following result. So p prime is 3/4, and what are the units of p prime? It's the units of p, so it's dollars per units of time, which is week. And the answer is the price is changing at 75 cents per week.